Okay, I'm gonna do a heat tower. That's what I'm gonna do here. Try to. So I have to do 240. Come on. There we are, in the air. Of course we are. So, that's where I'm at. I'm gonna go down. Get to start coming out. And it still comes out crappy. See these little strings. So I'll start going up a little. Try to get it a little. It's very loose. I just have to keep going down until I get still moving all over the dang place. It's just a mess. I have the 4.2.2 board. I've changed the Bowden tube. I've changed the extruder. I've changed the nozzle. I've added the BL Touch. I went from regular bed to magnetic bed to glass bed to glue on the glass bed. Still got the same issues.